everyone has the right to a nationality.
Deportaciones! Deportaciones! Deportaciones!
Today we are here to march to the Dominican Embassy in protest of the forced deportation of Dominicans with Haitian descent. We are here to say that this is not okay. The injustice that's happening out there today is something that we need to stop immediately. From people of all ages, of all races, it is our duty to make sure that people know about this, that this will be stopped.
We are not here to bash the people of the Dominican Republic. That's not what we're here to do. We are here to bring awareness to the injustice to a court ruling that aims to strip the citizenship, the nationality of people since 1929. Can you imagine that? Someone who's walking around in DR right now who looks like they're not from Dominican Republic, I don't know what that means. They will have to have identification. So a 65-year-old walking around will have to have ID on them to prove that they belong in a country that is theirs. This is here to bring awareness to the injustice that's going on to Dominican Haitians and migrant workers in the DR. So please remember that.
This is not an isolated issue. This is something that has been happening for generations. It has a historic precedent. And we cannot, here in the United States, stand by and allow for this to continue. It is a violation of human rights. It is the massive displacement of people. It is ethnic cleansing. And so we're here to send a message that we are with you in solidarity. We don't want you to believe that your voices are not being heard. We are here to send that message.
The larger message out of this is that we are all connected at one level or another. The iota that makes us different is very small. So let's focus on what unites us. Now, what that means is that for us, the cause is one of human rights, is one of respecting human rights. It's about the dignity of human beings. It's about ensuring justice. It's about ensuring due process. It's about ensuring that wrongs are not going by and we sit on the sideline. We cannot sit on the sideline when there are issues, there are people being hurt. If someone's being hurt somewhere, we should be able to feel some empathy.
Justice! No, we are here to ask for justice for everybody who's in the Dominican Republic, who's from another nation, regardless of their race, regardless of their originality. It is discrimination. That's ethnic cleansing when you send a group of people home without papers. Even though they pass laws to say they're going to justify the problem, it is not being done. Many of the people are not able to get the proper paperwork because they have not done the job to allow the people to get papers. Many Haitians right now are being beaten up. They are being forced out of the Dominican Republic. When they leave, their belongings, all their financials that are in the bank are remaining in the Dominican Republic. That is a human rights violation. If you're going to move the people out, you need to allow them time to recruit their belongings.
Look, this is unacceptable. How can you deny or how can you call a group of people in transit for 86 years? Whoa. That doesn't make any sense. No. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense.
No deportation!
No deportation!
No deportation!
What we know now is that the poor are the backbones of society. They do the hardest work. They're out there cutting your sugar cane to make your sugar. They fix your tables where you go out to eat. They make your beds. No justice?
No peace!
No justice?
No peace!
They can't be out here, but we can. So no justice?
No peace!
No justice?
No peace!
We will hold the Dominican Republic accountable because we love them. No justice?
No peace!
No justice?